England whip Ukraine to a 4-0 defeat and into the Euro 2020 semi-final with Denmark. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. So the big story out there right now in the world is that England is into the semi-final of the Euro 2020 championship after they defeated Ukraine with a smashing 4-0 in Rome. And I can tell you that the fans right now, they are very elated based on this milestone accomplishment by the English team. A number of fans have took to social media just to congratulate England on this accomplishment, but it is not over as they face Denmark in the semi-final. So England have reached the semi-finals of the Euro 2020 after a comprehensive defeat of the Ukrainians, and I can tell you that this came as a shock to many, as the fans in the stand, they seem very sad at the end of the game. So Harry Kane brace and goals from Harry Maguire and Jordan Henderson seal the Three Lions place in the last four with the superb display in Rome. And I can tell you, England performance sparked wild scenes, and fans around the world that celebrated this massive accomplishment by the team. Homes and pubs and fan zones across the country as hope of the team advancing to this round, and a number of them also tune into the game at the confines of different areas around the country just to experience this spectacular moment. But all I can say is that this has been a milestone accomplishment for the England team, and this was well fought as they put their all into it to defeat the Ukrainian with a 4-0 victory. It is the first time that the England's men teams have reached the semi-finals of the European Championship for 25 years as they seek to win their first major tournament since 1966, the World Cup. So the next phase is on for England, as England will now play Denmark at the Wembley Stadium in front of 60,000 strong crowd on Wednesday for a place in the final of the Euro 2020 games. Now this is one of the most highly anticipated match to come, and I can tell you that this will be streamed right across the world as the fans anticipate England to be victorious in this. We just have to wait and see what's to come, if England will deliver a spectacular performance that they did on Saturday, on Wednesday again over at the Wembley Stadium. As the day draws closer to the big match between England and Denmark, many fans are hoping that this will be another victorious match for the England team, as they look on the likes of Harry Kane, Raheem Sterling, John Stone and Luke Shaw to produce a spectacular performance. But as it's said right now, it's going to be one of those games that will be highly anticipated, and one that is going to require a whole lot of skill and craft, as Denmark braces to create an upset for the England team. The fans are just awaiting to see what's to come, as 60,000 fans are expected to tune into this game, and many more fans from around the world will tune in on their television set just to experience this spectacular moment being unfolded. Who do you think will take it? Do you think the England team will take it, or do you think Denmark team will be victorious? We just have to wait and see, and this anticipated is slowly building to a momentum that this game will go down as one of the best games in the Euro 2020, as historic moment is yet to be unfolded right in this very stadium, the Wembley Stadium, as England will put on a show, and I know that Denmark as well will try their very best to create an upset for the England team. Well, we'll continue to just track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has just been my little report on the England match against Ukraine with a massive 4-0 defeat against Ukraine. I can tell you that has been edged on the minds of many right now, right across the world, after Harry Kane and a number of others produced a spectacular performance at that stadium, and that match went down in history. Now, England is very hungry for this title because their last title was won back in 1966 when they won the World Cup. So they're anticipating to be victorious in this Euro Championship, and we just have to wait and see if they have what it takes to deliver. We'll continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Drop it in the comment section. I look forward to hear your response. How do you feel about this match coming up? How do you feel about the match that was played between England and Ukraine? How was that one? It was a mad match. I can tell you, it was an exciting match. Many fans tuned in, many fans loved it. I'm out for now. Drop it in the comment section. I want to hear your response.